Hello, my name's Dana. I'm here to talk about the Cleanstar 1400W backpack vacuum cleaner. I'll run through the setup, the features, and how to maintain your vacuum cleaner. Out of the box, this is what you get. You get your small tools, a crevice tool, a dusting brush, and an upholstery tool. You get your combination floor tool, telescopic rod, your blower plate and attachments, the hose, the unit, and 15 metres of cable. Now, to set it up, join the rod to the floor tool, and then the hose to the end of the rod, and then the hose to the unit. Give it a bit of a twist. Now, the unit itself, it comes with a dirt collecting bag, which you can remove and slide out of the holder. You can also use it with cloth filter bag, and then under there you'll notice inside is the Hepa filter. Make sure that's all nice and clean and back in position. Under the waist strap you'll find another filter. This is your exhaust filter. Pull it out by lifting this button. This is also washable. Make sure it's completely dry before you use the unit again. Now this area here is also where the blower function is put in place. With your blower plate, just slide that in and you join the hose in. And at the other end of the hose, you can put the small attachments. You've got a number of different sizes there for different functions. Now at the back here, you've got the harness, just a bit of adjusting to get that to fit. The waist straps and the shoulder straps. Let's try it on. Little adjusters here to tension the shoulder straps, and then the waist strap attached by Velcro. And here it is with the harness on. It's all nicely adjusted, very comfortable. On the side I have my small tools in the loops on the waist strap, and on the other side I've got the on-off switch.